All right, welcome back. So we're a little halfway through a project right now. I need to do brakes because I'm getting my car ready to go on the tail of the Dragon. So kind of going through the calipers, getting these brushed up, cleaning out the bores where the slide pins go. I've ordered new boots for those slide pins. The old ones were a bit crusty. They're definitely crusty. This one's not so bad, but check this one out. Oh, yeah. Yep. That is horrendous. So, anyway. I have EBC red brake pads that we're going to be slapping in there. And if all goes well, should be braking again. So, stay tuned. All right, well, I forgot to get a caliper compression tool for the top here, but at least the carriers are all set. I got the slide pins in there, new boots. Gonna get them cleaned up a little bit more, install them, good to go. But for now, I'm gonna head on over to Harbor Freight for God knows how many times I've been there, and go get that tool. So I'll be right back. All right, so to be honest, they had a $40 set that basically fits everything. So for 10 bucks, I have this. It should work just fine. We'll see. There we go. Got that pushed all the way back. All right, just kind of dry fit this one. Make sure we're good to go. There's the click I was looking for. I'm gonna take 5 and start putting this all back together. Alright, so I decided to record another follow-up very next day, just kind of go over this. So last night I ended up staying a little later than I wanted to because I also wanted to knock out the shifter bracket bushings and the shifter bushings, both of which I got directly from 034 Motorsports. Not affiliated, I just like what they do. So went ahead and tested it last night. Obviously, with brand new brake pads, takes a little bit of time to break in. These pads, particularly the EBC Reds, it's listed on their site. It can take anywhere from 200 to 300 miles. So any excuse I get, I'm going to take this thing out and just do a bunch of city driving, really. So, well, anyway, let's go ahead, get in the car, go for a ride, and have some fun.
Give